guess what? Tony knows. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. Tony knows the gift. Tony knows. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. That's what Tony knows. Slow down. Tony. Now go like this. And his sister, I know you. And you love that. Try to translate yourself. You got it. Sit up, pop your head and stand up. More music in the monitor. And then Russell. Not microphone though. And skip. Little more. Oh, that's nice. It's him. Now turn around and point like this. That's cool. Just one man knows, he still knows. And guess what? It's Chestnut. Jane, I think they got it. All right, everyone, grab your stirring stick like this, and we're going to stir this song a little bit. And the reason we're going to stir it is because it'll magically go faster. That's right. So the question is, do you want to go faster? I want to go faster. Do you want to go faster? And then next time. Here we go. We're ready. Here we go. That's what Tony knows. Hold it again. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. Tony knows again. Tony knows. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. That's what Tony knows. We'll slow it down. Tony. Same thing. Tony. Let's go this way this time. And his sister, Irene. Underneath it again. And Irene loves me. And he loves that. But that, you got it. Still alive. There you go. And then Russell. And Skip. A big Spanish city. Woo! Woo! But it's Skip. You got it. The other cheek. That's still short. Just one man knows. He still knows. And guess what?